Hello and welcome to this video dedicated to Lynqa. At Smart Testing, we started with a simple observation. Despite all efforts to automate functional testing, nearly 80% is still executed manually. Why? Because creating and maintaining scripts is expensive. Tests evolve constantly, and all this slows down release cycles. As a result, QA teams spend a lot of time on repetitive tasks instead of focusing on higher value activities. With Lynqa, everything changes. Lynqa enables you to automatically execute your manual tests using AI agents, all without scripting, without modifying your existing tests, and at any time, 24/7, directly within your Xray repository in Jira Cloud. And of course, you also get execution evidence and clear reporting, while significantly reducing your costs. In practice, Lynqa runs your tests written in natural language in Xray in the form of actions and expected results. It provides complete tracking of the execution with screenshots and allows you to push the results back directly into Xray. To learn more, feel free to visit our website or book a demo with our team.